Hi, I'm Mark Jesenowitz. I'm your instructor for BA 103, Introduction to Business. And I just thought I'd make a short video today to introduce you to our class and give you my expectations, and hopefully those will align with what you're expecting to get out of this class. Now, first of all, this is an online class, so you probably didn't think you'd ever see me. But surprise, you will see me periodically in some videos and things as we go through the semester. So let me just explain a little bit about uh, how this class works and what my expectations are for this class. So obviously this is an online class. We meet in Blackboard, and we will cover uh, all 21 chapters in your book. So if you have a chance, first thing you should do is look at the syllabus and the course schedule that are both out on Blackboard. This will give you a real good idea of all your assignments and all the things that we'll cover in this class. This is a 4 credit hour class, and since I don't get to see you for 4 hours in class each week, uh, we have to uh, develop the course so that uh, you do both the in-course work as well as what we would normally assign as homework. So the Grand Rapids Community College standard for a 4 credit hour class is that we'd meet in class for 4 hours, and then they would expect that you would have about 8 hours of homework per week. So that's about 12 hours. So you should expect about 12 hours of work in this class per week. Now, some weeks you'll find that it might be a little more than that, and some weeks you'll find it's a little less. For example, if you look at your course schedule, you'll see that week 5 we have a whole lot going on, and in weeks 9 and 10 we don't have as much going on. So there's certain weeks that there's much more work to do, other weeks there's not. So please keep an eye on your course schedule so that you know what assignments are coming up and you can budget your time appropriately. Um, a couple of other key points is that we do cover all 21 chapters in the book, and the reason for that is we are introducing you to business topics. We hope that you find one or two of these business topics that we cover to interest you, maybe something you'll want to study more or even major in as you go further in your education. So if you don't like a particular subject one week, work through it and know that we're moving on to something in the next week anyway. So my advice to you is keep current on this course. It is easy to fall behind when it's an online course and you have to pace yourself. Our course runs from Monday through Sunday, so every week our week ends at midnight on Sunday. So please don't wait until 10 or 11 o'clock on Sunday night to try to do your assignments and then find that you don't understand something or you have a question, because if you email me, I probably won't respond at 10 or 11 o'clock on Sunday night. So you may find other students, however, that can help you at that time. But please try to plan in advance. So all of our courses run through Blackboard. So one of the things I do recommend in your welcome notice, I have a link in there to tutorials on Blackboard. So please watch those tutorials so that you know how to submit assignments, do tests, so forth. Know how to participate in the discussion boards, etc. On our discussion boards, you will have each week, not every week, but when we do have a discussion board, you do have until 11:59 or midnight on Wednesday to make your first post. And that first post must be at least 250 words in length. So if you don't know how long your post is, you can always copy it into Word and then run the review feature, and that'll tell you how many words that you have. But the idea here is not that you do a post exactly 250 words, but that you give us not just your opinion, but you back it up with some examples, maybe from work or at home or your family. So you give us some rationale behind your opinion, because many of these questions, obviously there isn't a right or wrong answer. We're trying to get, what do you think about this subject, and what did you pick up from your readings in the book? And then your other posts during the week will be responses to other students' posts. And so try to make those, again, not just, yes, I agree, but if you do agree, why? Or if you disagree, why? And give us a little context to your thinking. Written assignments will be always due Sunday at midnight, so don't wait again till late to start working on those in case you run into some kind of problems. Also, your Learn Smart assignments will be due Sunday at midnight. So some of the things I would recommend then is, as you look at this course, make sure that it meets your expectations. Look through the assignments that are on the course schedule. Look through the syllabus. And then look at what you expect to get out of this class, and do these two meet? And if so, then we'll have a great time in this course this semester. If not, then you should think about taking a different course. So one last thought, make sure that you always check the announcements as well as the class information tab in Blackboard. Announcements, typically I will email you when I put an announcement out there, but check the announcements. Also check the class information tab. That's where I put additional information. For example, after we complete an assignment, I sometimes will put out there a summarization of how the class did, some of the points that people got, some of the things that people missed, so on and so forth. So again, you have to look at that the next week, because your assignments aren't due until midnight on Sunday, and so then by the time I get them graded, it might be, you know, Wednesday or Thursday before I have everybody's assignment graded, and then so it may be Friday or Saturday before the results are out there. But once your results are posted in Blackboard, your grade, then the next day or so you can always look at the class information thing to see if there's a summarization of how the class as a whole did on that assignment. So with that, I hope that you enjoy the topics that we cover. I hope you find one that or two that interest you, and that you pursue some more. And don't be shy. If you're on campus, feel free to stop by my office and say hi. I'm in the College Park Plaza, 3rd floor, room 305. So I hope you have a good semester, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you again sometime this semester in another video.